How's it going, guys? Today is July 21st, 2021. We have our sixth break of 2021 Donruss Elite Football, one box break. We're going to be rolling the dice for the random today and pairing everyone up. For the dice roll, we are only going to re-roll if we get snake eyes. So good luck to everyone. If there's any multiple player cards, they will be randomized between the player on the card. So we got 6 and 5, so we're going to randomize the list 11 times each. I'm going to take you guys over to this. All right. So there's that. So as you guys can see, here's the list. We got Nicholas A2, Jacob C, Lauren M, Jacob M, Sammy M, Russell D2, Chris F2, Jeremy F2, Dennis U, Cody B, Cliff L and S, Steve S. And then we copied and pasted it. It's going to be Nicholas A2, Jacob C, Lauren M, Jacob M, Sammy M, Russell D2, Chris F2, Jeremy F2, Dennis U, Cody B, Cliff L, and Steve S. So we'll copy and paste the name into random.org, and then we are going to randomize the list 11 times. Nicholas A on top and Steve S on bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11th time. Nicholas A on top and Jeremy F on bottom. We'll paste it into the Google spreadsheet. Copy and paste the teams into random.org. And randomize the list 11 times as well. Cardinals on top, football team on bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11th and final time. Good luck to everyone. Got the Eagles on top and the Lions on bottom. And then we are going to randomize or sort it by name. So Chris F has the Colts, 49ers, Titans, and Cowboys. Cliff L with the Jaguars and the Broncos. Cody B with the Texans and the Ravens. Dennis U with the Buccaneers and Steelers. Jacob C with the Bears and Patriots. Jacob M with the Vikings and the Chiefs. Jeremy F with the football team, Bengals, Giants, and Lions. Lauren M with the Dolphins and Bills. Nicholas A with the Eagles and Saints, Cardinals, and Rams. Russell D with the Packers, Chargers, Falcons, and Panthers. Sammy M with the Browns and the Seahawks. And Steve S with the Raiders and the Jets. So I'm going to make this a little bit smaller so everyone can see. I'm going to give it about a minute before we start ripping. If anybody wants to make trades, let's do it now. I'm only going to give a couple minutes to make trades. Too many. And it looks like we're also full on Gypsy Queen, so that means we can get that ripping right after this. So like I said, I'm going to give you guys a minute to trade. If I don't see any trades being made, then we are going to get started. All right. Steve, I'm going to give him a second to respond. If he doesn't respond, we're just going to get started. Like I said, though, good luck to everyone. I'm hoping that we can pull some heat, man, because we are due for that big auto. Or actually, not even just auto, just hit. All right. We're going to get started. Like I said, good luck to everyone. Hopefully we could pull something crazy. As we are still due that crazy pull, you know what I mean?
Here, I'll get those emails out for you for...
Gypsy Queen?
Yeah.
Cool.
Let's see. How long do you think that's going to take you?
I don't know. It's going to probably be a pretty quick rip.
Okay.
10, 15 minutes maybe.
Okay. I'll say about 15 minutes from now.
Okay. All right. Good luck to everyone. We're going to get started on this right now so that way we can get into our next break that we have coming up in about 15, 20 minutes. About 15. Good luck to everyone. Appreciate you guys for joining. Hopefully we can pull something crazy, you know what I mean? What is, hold on. Empty? What is that? Dude, why is there always like, look. And then the bottom one's like, hey, what's up, guys? I'm flipped the other way. All right. 20 packs. We're looking for 2 autos, 1 mem per box. Like I said, we're still due for a pretty nasty pull, you know. So we're gonna get started on this now. Dan Marino, Josh Allen. We got Patrick Jones the second out of 999. Derrick Henry and Jared Goff. Kid Reporter. I know nobody's really too interested in the Kid Reporter, if I got to be honest. But for the Vikings, Patrick Jones. Put that right there so you guys could see. But you could also see from the side camera if you guys... All right, Von Miller, Julian Edelman. We got Aaron Jones. Oh, no, I'm sorry, Devontae Adams out of 349. Full throttle. Devontae Adams out of 349. For the Packers, Miles Sanders, Tre'Davious White, and a Kid Reporter, if anybody wants those Kid Reporters. Which I don't know why you would, but that's definitely a hit. I'm going to save that, actually. I feel like the last couple boxes, we gotten these hits way too early. Alvin Kamara, Brett Favre. We got Aziz Ojulari, rookie. Throwback. George Kittle and Joe Burrow. I saw that, Mark. Appreciate it. We're going to get that actually started after this break, so in about 15 minutes. So if you want to stay for that. We got a die cut in here. Josh Jacobs, Marquise Brown out of 96. We got, that would have been nice last year, but Jalen Hurts. That is 59. Oh, no, 98. Aspirations, 59 of 98. That would have been sweet last year, but still cool. For the Eagles, Joe Namath, David Montgomery. No auto yet, no auto yet, no auto yet. Dude, these packs are so difficult to open all the time. I don't understand it. All right. Oh, I think these are numbered out of 49. We got a Kid Reporter. Darius Leonard, Russell Wilson. Come on, rookie. Oh! Justin Fields, number 3 of 49. There we go. Dude, who was I talking to about this earlier? Was it like Sammy? Justin Fields out of 49. We finally hit our bigger Justin Fields. Mike G and Aaron Jones. Not going to lie, that's probably our best hit that we've had so far. Who had the Bears? Is that Jake? Someone had the Bears. Yeah, Jacob. CeeDee Lamb, Jalen Hurts. We got Marquise Brown out of 85. Congratulations, Jake. Massive hit, man. Massive hit. We'll put that to the side, actually, so that way we can show that at the end. Quinnen Williams and Myles Garrett. Huge hit. Let's go. It's about time, you know. James Robinson. We got Brian Urlacher and Von Miller out of 399. Keenan Allen and Kyler Murray. Just so you know, whoever has the Broncos. Corner's a little dinged up. I don't know if you can tell too well, but corner's decently dinged up. Saquon, Larry Fitz. We got a Tylan Wallace out of 999. Randy Moss, Ryan Tannehill, and a kids reporter. There you go, Jacob, though. Finally got that Justin Fields that, you know, we've been kind of looking for. Pulled like every other quarterback except for Justin Fields. Like even, we pulled more Trevor Lawrence than Justin Fields. Jalen Ramsey, we got A.J. Brown, Aaron Rodgers, Elite Deck. DeAndre Swift and Jimmy G. Bring this down a little bit. Put that back there. Kid Reporter. Whoa, what is this? Whoa, what is this? Torrey Holt. There's a DJ Shark. That's kind of cool. Back to the Future. Torrey Holt auto out of 75. That's a cool auto for the Rams. And we got an Ascension of Drew Brees. Justin Herbert and Matt Ryan. I know, right, Jeremy? Those would be sweet. We got Rob Gronkowski, Drew Lock, and Tua Tagovailoa, Justin Jefferson, and Taylor Heineke. Tua Tagovailoa, it's like the throwback rookie, not rookie, second year. Sammy did tell me. Monster hit out of 49. That's fire. It's a good way to start off for the Justin Fields like polling for me, you know. Kid Reporter, Tua, Kuechly, Kyler Murray, Elite Deck. We got Brandon Cooks and Nick Bosa. There's your Barry Sanders. Barry. Tom Brady. We got dual threats. Oh, whoever has the Bills, can you sell me this, please? Please, please, please. 11 out of 99, Josh Allen. I will literally buy it from you right now. Not even kidding. Who is Bills? Lauren? Being serious. Sell that to me. Love the way that looks. T. Higgins, Michael Strahan base. Please. Wait, Drew Brees, Jerry Rice. Oh. Ogundeji. Rookie out of 999, Patrick Mahomes and Joe Montana. Still looking for our Pen Pals auto. Joe Mixon, Derek Carr, Trevor Lawrence, rookie elitist, Devontae Adams and Sam Darnold. Pulling all sorts of rookies. Kid Reporter, Jonathan Taylor, TJ Watt, and DJ Moore. Checkerboard out of 399, Aaron Rodgers and Jamal. Ezekiel Elliott, Lamar Jackson, Micah Parsons, Elite Company, Nick Chubb and Brian Dawkins, LeVar Arrington, Sean Lee, and Navarro Bowman. Got 2 packs left other than the jersey. We're still looking for the Pen Pals auto. Feel like it's in here. Nope. Justin Tucker, Juju, Najee Harris out of 399. Khalil Mack and Joey Bosa. I'm getting a lot of rookies, which is good. All right, Dak Prescott, Amir Smith, Marset, Pen Pals auto. Just the black ink, but we got a Zach Wilson, rookie on deck. Ridley and Cook. That was a nasty one. It was out of 25. Got an Ascension, Stephon Diggs. That was a game. That was a great game, the divisional game. Raiders and Bills. There's like a 101-yard pick 6 for Teron Johnson. Tyreek Hill, Chase Young, DJ Moore, and the jersey is of Ezekiel Elliott. I don't think I've seen a single patch card in here. I gotta be honest, I don't think I've seen a single patch. Oh, I'm gonna have to use this top loader for now because I don't have any with me. But that No, we're not short an auto. It was the Amir Smith Marset. Supposed to get 2 autos in 1 jersey. Pen Pals, jersey. Auto of Torrey Holt. And the Justin Fields. Sweet. No, we were not short in an auto. We're good. We had 2 autos. Yeah, that counts. That counts as one of the autos. But we do appreciate you guys for joining. Thank you so much. Congrats to everyone who hit. We still have our Gypsy Queen break coming up right after this, and we also have Topps Museum collection in the on the website. So appreciate you guys for joining. Appreciate it, and have a good rest of your day.